Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and happy Monday to everyone watching this on Monday. Today we're going to do another makeup hack Monday. I thought this was going to be a really fun idea and I've been having a lot of fun kind of finding what I want to try that might make my makeup application kind of easier. The first makeup hack that I'm going to do actually came from somebody that I watch a lot of her videos, and she did an eyebrow tutorial and I was like, oh my gosh, I never thought of doing that. So we're going to try that. The channel that has inspired the eyebrow hack, although she didn't do it as a hack, it was just her routine, is Cora. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it, but I will leave her channel in the video linked down below. She is absolutely gorgeous and her eyebrows are to die for. So if this works, I'm going to be really excited. And the other hack that we are going to try came from one of my subscribers over on Twitter. Her name is Tara Rogers, and she says to bend your mascara wand for better control and to make it easier to apply to your lashes, which I am a messy mascara person, which is why I usually cut it out because I end up having to clean it up. So if this hack works, I'm going to be super excited. So if you are excited to see if these hacks actually do work, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any more Makeup Hack Mondays, and let's zoom you in and get right to the video. Now that I have you zoomed in, I want to finish my eyebrows first. The mascara is making me nervous, I won't lie. So Sanu says to make sure that your brows go on more evenly and just easily and they don't budge is to make them matte first. So she powders her eyebrows before she puts anything on it. So I'm going to powder my right eyebrow and not my left, and we're going to see if it makes a difference in application. I am going in with the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Loose Setting Powder. I've been really loving this powder, so we're going to use this today because it works the best that I've been finding. I am going to take kind of a fluffier setting brush, and it is just my eyebrow, so I have no powder on my face except the shadows. The shadows are powder, but I didn't set the concealer, so there is absolutely no powder on my face. I even use like the cream products on my face as well, so okay. They do feel different. So there's powder on the right side, no powder on the left. For brow product, I am going to go in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I have mine in the shade Ash Brown. I really do like this pencil. I also really like the spoolie. It's not harsh. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows just as I would normally. It's really hard to talk, but I'm going to try to talk as much as I can through this. I really do like how this pencil glides on. I will say that. I don't know why it's so hard to chat while I'm doing my eyebrows, other than I'm just super cautious as to what I'm saying because I don't want to screw them up. Maybe that's what it is, because like with eyeshadow, I can totally talk through eyeshadow or like cheek products because you can blend it away, but it's a little bit harder and trickier to fix an eyebrow if you kind of slip up. I will say it's definitely, I mean, it looks good. My eyebrow looks good. Hopefully we can get this eyebrow to look good too. But I do really like it so far. Okay, I'm not going to spool you. I'm going to leave it alone, but I think I'm to the point where I'm okay with stopping this eyebrow. Let's do this eyebrow. This one does not have any powder on it. Oh, doing eyebrows makes me so nervous. Does anybody else get nervous when they do their eyebrows? I'm not sure why. My eyebrows are uneven. Like, they sit on my face uneven, and it makes me so nervous when I do them. Whether I'm on camera or not, they make me nervous. They're just eyebrows, Kelly. Jeez. They're just eyebrows. Say it. They're just eyebrows. But I'm still nervous. I will say I feel like I had much more better control over here than I'm having on this side. It's just... because I kind of went a little high on that side. And these little hairs are not as defined. Like, they look drawn on, if that makes sense. My eyebrows are quite thin on the very inside here. See how it just kind of looks splotchy? I want to get a little bit closer. Okay, you see how it's just kind of splotchy right here, and it's skipping almost? Or is this, there's a defined pretend hair on this side? So I kind of feel like Sanu is onto something. I'm now struggling to try and, because this is going bad. This is going badly quite quickly. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop before we get too crazy. Go ahead and brush these into place. That is such a pretty eyebrow over here. You guys, and this is my hardest eyebrow to do because I think the powder works. I'm going to say that. I think the powder trick actually really does work. This is just, it's just splotchy, and I'm not happy with it, and I know if I keep messing with it, it's just going to go very badly, and then I'm going to be really upset. I'm going to stop it here, like I said, but this is so nice. I love this eyebrow over here. Okay, makeup hack number 1, to powder your eyebrows before actually does give you a lot more control, and I feel like this pencil really did give me the defined little hairs, especially if you're somebody that has sparse eyebrows and you need to make little hairs. This is a really good trick. I usually don't powder my eyebrows because you don't want powder in your eyebrows because then it looks dusty. Typically, that's what I thought. Am I the only one that didn't powder their eyebrows before? Because you don't want dusty eyebrows, right? I'm going to be powdering my eyebrows often. So thank you, Sanu, for doing that tutorial. Again, you guys, if you're struggling with your eyebrows, go check out her channel. Go check out her tutorial on how she did her eyebrows. Fabulous. Fabulous. I love it. Okay, let's finish our face with mascara now. Now that I have one fabulously looking eyebrow, let's hope this works. I am going to use the Rimmel Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara. I have mine in Extreme Black. I think that's the only color it comes in, but in case it doesn't, this is Extreme Black. Okay, so I did have to Google how to do this. And I think this is kind of the trick that the new L'Oreal mascara that they just came out with, I think, a month ago. I think that's what they were going for. I don't have it because I'm trying not to overload myself with mascara, but You pull it out just until you get the top of the bristles right at the top of the tube, and then you bend and kind of push it towards, like push it away from you, and then pull it up. Okay, so now I have a bent wand, and we're gonna do this on camera. I'm so bad. I'm sorry if this goes really bad, but I'm not really good at doing mascara, so if this works, this is gonna be great. And I purposely did not do any eyeliner, so let's hope for the best. And I am going to do just the one eye, and then I will straighten it back out and do the other eye and see if I make a mess on one side or the other. So this is the makeup pack side today, and this is the regular way I would do it. This is really weird, I will say that. Really, really strange. But I just touched my face. Like nowhere near my eyeball. Okay. Okay, so there is one coat. I did touch my face, but I was also kind of giggling while trying to do my mascara, which I can't talk and do. So I'm not sure if that was just me or if it was because of the bent wand. So let's go in for another coat, because I am a 2-coat kind of gal. I mean, I did not powder underneath my eyes, so I could just cover it up with concealer. I actually think the top lashes, this is really easy. Because I definitely would have mascara all over my lid. Okay. I definitely think, other than this mishap, which honestly I do think that was my fault, at least doing the upper lashes, definitely way better. So let's do the other side with a straight wand now. And this is the one I usually always make a mess. Oh, watch, I don't make a mess at all today. Oh, there I go. I did. And so I did get my eyelid just right here with the brush straight. Let's go in with a second coat. And I did it again. Holy crap. Okay, and this is the finished look with the mascara hack on this side and the mascara hack not on this side. This is typically what my eyelid looks like, and I do have to wait for it to dry, and I go in with a brush and a little bit of shadow and try to clean it up. And then if it doesn't work, then I will go in with a powder eyeshadow and then eyeline that eye. But this is typical. And I always thought it was just me. And this side, there is a very tiny little bit that will probably just scratch off on my lid here. And then this, I think, was just me. Or maybe, but even still, even if this was not me, this is so much easier to clean up than on my eyelid with the eyeshadows and making sure it blends right. And then you got a darker spot on the one side and not on the other. And then it just becomes an uneven mist. This one, I could just throw some concealer on, whatever doesn't scratch off, and we're good to go. So I'm going to clean up my eyes and zoom you out and give you some final thoughts. So now that I've tried out both of these hacks today, I want to say they're both wins. I did have to scratch this off. It did leave a little bit of black residue, as mascaras do. But I was able to just tap in some concealer really quick. There's no powder underneath my eyebrows. So I mean, it's fine. It's not muddy or anything. And you can't tell that there was mascara there. Super easy. But on this side, I feel like my shadow has changed colors now, even though I did go in with just a flat shader brush here and just kind of from the top try to fill it in. I do feel like now I want to go back in and put some liner on because it looks different now. So I don't like that. Do I think the bent mascara hack, it works? I think it does. I think Maybelline is genius for coming out with a wand that does bend. Is that mascara good? I'm not sure. YouTube says it is. But being able to use what mascara you do like and just bending it, that was really easier. And I think this was just me being nervous and laughing, and I think that was human error. Whereas this side is typically how mascara works for me. So I want to do a big thank you to Tara and to Sanu for giving me these ideas for this video. Both of them I'm going to incorporate into my routine. The powder on the eyebrow thing is blowing my mind. How good I can actually see the micro hairs there. Awesome. I'm super excited about that one. And definitely go check out her channel. Give her channel some love. If you had a lot of fun today with these makeup hacks, go ahead and give my video a big thumbs up. And if you have any future hacks you want to see tested out, or if you know a secret makeup hack, let me know down in the comments. Tweet me, find me on Instagram, but let me know what these secret hacks are. I'm having a lot of fun finding these. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!